Hey guys, what's up? It's Natives here. So today we're going to unbox this wireless remote phone grip. And again, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to click the notification bell so that you'll be notified every time I have a new video uploaded on my channel. Let's get started. So there we go, guys. So again, I have here a wireless remote phone grip, and this is not a sponsored vlog, by the way. And one thing that I'm interested with this, because you can put it in on your phone. You don't need any apps. That's a good thing on this unit. And again, you just need a battery of CR. I think it's gonna be a CR2 kind of battery. We'll see. It is a CR2. You just need a CR2 battery for this, and then good to go. Okay, so again, what's in the box? We'll see what's in the box here. I'm so excited, guys. I just got this one from Amazon. So again, it comes with Paperworks, which is your manual, how to use it. And then, ta-da! That's it. So this is what you have here on the box, which is this grip and this one, tie. You can put your phone, whatever, or you can put anything here, and I think it's good for holder or something, but we'll see, you know. And again, this is what I'm saying, that it comes with a battery, the CR2 battery. So you can replace it if you want. And again, you don't need an app for this. All you have to do is to put the battery on here. And it's nice thing because the shutter is so small. Look at that. It's very small, like 1.25 inches probably by 1 inch maybe. So it's very small. And this is it. So just slide it in that way, and then this is your phone. All you have to do is to Bluetooth your phone to here. So, but my phone is really big, so, and again, this is the grip. You can see that one, or you can move a little bit and then take a picture, bang bang bang. It's very handy. Look at that, guys. It's a really nice one, right? Beautiful. So, yeah, you can take pictures. And another thing here is that you can use this one. And if you have a tripod, you can put tripod here. And then, as what I've said, you can remove this shutter. And then you can just back your shot if you want to. It's a really good one. So, basically, I don't have a small tripod that I can show you. But again, the other thing here is that, you know, it's the good thing here. It's the grip is really good, guys. It will stick the grip on this one here. And you can put your microphone on top. And again, it's three kinds, or three in one. Cell phone stand or tripod mount that you can make this, and yeah, it's a nice one. I'm gonna try this one, and then I hope I can use this, and we'll see how it looks like when you take a pictures that way, and then shot, and you can do a video on this one here. All you have to do is to click that one and then take a video. But again, the thing is your grip, right? Instead of holding like this, you just grip and then take a shot, take a video. So handy, very handy. So I like it. So it's very handy and nice. Awesome, very good. Good for vloggers, you know, for vloggers there that maybe you like this. And again, while you're talking, you can put microphone, or there's a what's that? There's a shoe here, and then nice, beautiful. Take a shot, take a selfie if you want to. Let's take a selfie. Right, nice, nice one. Awesome. It's really good product. And again, this one is about $23 in Canadian. And again, I said like this, I got this one from Amazon. And yeah, it's so hard because my phone is 14 plus. So it's kind of a disadvantage, but it works anyways. So again guys, this one, what is all about this product, and again, this one was being released in September of 2021. I hope if you want to grab one of this, and we're gonna put the link below, so at least if you want to buy one, it's really small ones, and they have some grips, really good grips, and yeah, it's really good. For me, it's really good. I want to try this one later, and then I will show it to you guys. But again, what's all about this item? This is a phone camera grip. Comes with detachable 10, and then it's wireless remote control. No apps needed. Download easy, connect, and smartphone. The phone tripod mount features of 1/4 inch by 20 frame or female thread, and a cold shoe mount design. The cold shoe is the top of the grip, allowed to mount the shoe mount extended LED lamp or microphone. And again, this is a really good one. It's a light and a compact design, makes it easy to pack for your backpack anywhere you go. You just free hands and record every wonderful moments in your life. So again, that's really good one. And other thing here is a 3-in-1 tripod mount. It's really good one, guys. And I hope if you want to buy this, I can recommend this to you if you want to buy. It's really good. It's really handy. And yeah, it's maybe because it's brand new, that's why it's, but again, my phone is really big. It's an iPhone 14 Plus. So again, if you have a 14 or smaller than 14 Plus, I think this unit is gonna be okay. You know, it's not gonna be like that tight compared that when I got struggle to remove my phone to this grip. But again, if you have any comment, let me know, and I will put this one on the I'll put the link below on the description. If you have any comment, or if you want to buy, you can just buy it there, and it's $23.99. And again, my perspective, it's a really good one, really good unit, and it's so cheap where you can buy the battery. Battery is like, you can buy it in Amazon too if you want to battery, and you can go dollar store. They have the CR2 battery. So again, really good one, and so light, really light. And there you go. So again, guys, if you have any comment, let me know. And if you're not yet subscribing my channel, I hope you can subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell so that you'll be notified every time I have a new video uploaded on this channel. And again, thank you so much for watching. This is Noy Tips. God bless and a wonderful day.